Florence is a city in Italy. So what we are trying to do is another old telephone machine and let's go on top of the bridge. I'm going to explore the most on top of this, even top Jazda di Santa Maria. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are in Florence और Florence is a city in Italy और हम यहाँ पे आए हैं इस city को explore करने. So if you're coming to Florence, be ready to walk. Be ready to walk on inclined roads. So also climb up the stairs. We have been walking for last 15 minutes and it's just inclined. So it's a stone road, concrete road. So we have just followed the tracks and got on the top of the hill to reach the church of Di San Miniato, and this is the outside wall of it. We are going towards the other end now, and it's a way through the jungle. When we reach the church, then I'll tell you, is it worth the hike or is it not. So this church is under construction at the moment. Let's go inside and check it out. It's a long walk up to this place. It's all under construction at the moment. There's a lot of graffiti on the walls. Possibly the next time I'll come here after renovation, there'll be tickets in this place. Now we are going into kind of a crypt of the church. It says SS Miniatis. It's completely worth the view from here. It gives you a complete look around of the city and the main places of the city, like those that we'll be visiting now. It's completely worth it if you want to get the view of the city. Otherwise the church is still under renovation and it would be much better idea that you come back once the church is completely renovated. So this is the actual entrance to the church. Another beautiful view of the city. So what we are trying to do is reach to this bridge, and from this bridge we will go to the rest of the part of the city. So I just got off these stairs and now going towards the bridge of the city, and in between just found this beautiful construction. As you can see, there is a small kind of a pond as well. This is the historical landmark, which is Porta San Nicolu. Another view of the tower. This is the river that passes through this city. So the river name is Arno, and the bridge is Ponte Vecchio, which we are going to cross to the other end. Another old telephone machine in Florence. This is the gallery museum, Uffizi Gallery. And that is the bridge, the famous bridge, Ponte Vecchio, with the houses on top of it and the restaurants. You can see there are a lot of people standing out there taking the view of the river from the bridge. And let's go on top of the bridge. So as soon as I got on this bridge, you can see most of the shops on this bridge are for the gold. And yeah, you can see big, beautiful gold chains. Yeah, that's it. That's how it looks like. Now we are getting off the bridge and going to explore the most of the parts of the city. We have a store of Captain Candy here as well, like the one I showed you in the Spain vlog. So I'll put a link to my Spain vlog so that you can check that out. Now we are going to Piazza della Signoria. That's it in front of us. This is the Fountain Neptuna, just like the one we saw in Bologna. These places have a lot of calligraphy and a lot of things are made on them, on the walls. There's a lot of history on the walls, paintings, graffiti all over the place. Of course, over the times these have been renovated and there have been additions made to the original statues or the portraits that are here. This is the cathedral, and you can see people can go on top of this, even top until the top of the dome. You can see a person out there. And this is the tower. You can go on top of the tower as well. Beautiful architecture. This is another view of the bell tower. This is the baptistry, and this is just on the side of the cathedral. Florence is famous for gelato and leather. While we are here, we are seeing ice cream shops, gelato shops as well. All over the place there are leather shops. This is the leather market. And there are few lanes that you can discover around. It's not just this lane, but there are a few other lanes that you can walk into and explore, especially the leather stuff is there out here. This is the food market. This is Piazza di Santa Maria, and that's the church of Piazza di Santa Maria. This is the fashion street of Florence, and you'll find the very big brands out here. Every street has some or the other place that you would like to see, or some monument you would like to explore the place step by step, each lane. It has a lot to see, so you can easily spend a whole day out here just exploring the place. I hope you like this one. See you in the next one. Until then, have a beautiful time.